So these are another four that hatched. Good morning, everybody. I haven't posted one in a minute. I had some other ones, but a predator came in and destroyed the house and messed it up. But as you can see, they do have the Indian feathers in them. That's what makes these legit. They're ancient, like from the beginning. So I got those four right now. They are the DINO chicks. You can see their feathers and they're Indian. And I already have it confirmed with several people. You see his head? How he looks like a raptor, like a skeleton, like if he was brought back to life. You see his feathers? What makes these birds so special is that they can camouflage and change colors into visibility, like a chameleon. See that one? But you have to be with them and see it in personal. So beautiful, something epic. You can see his wings. They're the Indian ones, see? All from the same dad and same mother. So these are the DINO chickens, and the update about them that they might contain poison, like a snake, like a reptile. I'm not quite sure. I'm still doing the investigation on it.